What's up, friends? It's Meeka back again. So I've been asked a lot of questions. Where do I get my hair? I go to divatress.com. I have been ordering hair from them for years now. I do not get any hair from my local hair supply stores. I think they are overly priced. So I always order online. The hair that I did my mom's braids with came from, of course, divatress.com. Their pricing is always, to me, a great deal. They have a lot of name brand hair, as you can see. We got the Model, Janet Collection, so I mean, pretty much how I do it is Janet Collection, Model again, Zari. The way I normally do it is I just type in what I'm looking for, and majority of the time it pops up. Or you can move over to the side where it has the 3 lines, tap that, and then it'll have a category of what you're looking for. If it's lace front wigs, if it's a 360, if it's, a human hair, whatever kind of hair you're looking for, they have it. And I just love them. Maybe one day I can be sponsored by Divatress, because I sure order a lot of hair through them. But if not, like I said before, their hair is always great price. If you order over $50 worth of merchandise, your shipping's free. You order so much, I know it has to be over $50. Your shipping will be free. So we're just strolling down because I want to show you all the hair I ordered for my mom. So we're just gonna keep strolling here. Strolling down some more. I think we're getting close to it. Yeah, Janet Collection. They also have the, where is she? Keep going. They have the Vivica Fox line too in here. I know I saw her on one of these pages. I haven't tried it yet. I have ordered the Janet Collection. I haven't done Motown either. I basically only stick with a few brands, and that is the Janet Collection and the Bobby Boss is the collections that I have tried. I really like the Bobby Boss. I've done Bobby Boss a few times. I do like the Janet Collection as well. A few of these name brands I haven't tried. I need to get out of my shell and try more brands of hair. They really do have good quality hair though here, you guys. I haven't, I do try to stick with the 5 stars. Sometimes if it's cheap, if the price is pretty low, I'll take a chance on it. Yeah, I think that Vivica Fox hair right there is really, the rainbow jumbo braid hair is really pretty. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. Okay. Yeah, 18 wave. Okay. They have really good crochet hair in here too. I like the crochet hair that have the loops, so you can actually have your hair straight and crocheted in your hair, and they have the loops already made into the hair. It's really nice. See, they have a lot of 5-star ratings on a lot of this hair, which is always good. Good to see. Yeah. So there goes another Bobby Boss 5-star. I like that one a lot. But we're just gonna stroll down some more and then see what else is popping. What else is popping? So I already saw the one that I went with. I'm gonna go right back up to it. Right back up to it. There we are. Bobby Boss, synthetic, just braid, and it is the free thread. Yep, free thread. The free thread means it's going to have that nice little tip on the bottom so that you don't have to, try to fray it yourself at the bottom. It already comes like that. It's really nice. The bottoms, you see. Yeah, I like that. It's not like the old-fashioned. You see the bottoms, the tips, looks really nice. It's not like the old-fashioned braids with that thick bottom. I really don't like that. And then they have pretty colors. Look at all the colors they have to offer. They are so pretty. I'm already looking at some that I want. But I ended up going with this one right here because my mom's hair is like a salt and pepper. She's got a lot of gray hair, so this worked out for her. It really blended great in her hair. That is the TT1B silver, SILEV, and it worked great, you all. But I'm gonna play around with a few more colors. I did like that lime. The lime was very pretty. That's the silver again. So we're about to see this pink one. That's very pretty. So I want that in my collection. There's a few colors I'd like to have in my collection. So I used 6 bags, you all, in my mom's hair, but I purchased 7 bags. I think it was like 7 or 8 bags just to be safe. And I only used 6 bags. I like that color a lot. I might pull it up again. Let me see. Oh, this one was really nice. It's like a burgundy. Oh, I loved it. It's really nice. I'm digging her braids too. Yeah, that burgundy was really, really nice. Yes. So this was the one I fell in love with. The 4T. What is it? PRSM. Yes, honey. Look at this. Look, you guys. Hot, okay? Hot. Yes. Gotta have that one in my collection, dear. Gotta have that one. Beautiful. And here goes the purple for all the purple lovers. Yes. It's really nice. It's not too dark purple, but just right. So yes, you all, that's the hair I ordered my mom. In the rest of this video, I will be doing my mom's hair. I speeded the video up, of course, because no one wants to sit and watch me do her hair for hours. I chopped a lot of the video down as well, just so that we could get through it without falling asleep. Right now I'm oiling my mom's hair with my grapeseed oil, tea tree oil, peppermint oil, and can't name them all right now. Vitamin E, of course. It's a few little nice fragrance oil in there as well. I did a video on it already. Right now my mom and I are watching the news and having some chit chat, spilling some of that good old tea. It's always nice to just be able to talk to your mom. So just sit back, you guys, and if you don't want to watch us basically spilling some tea, you can fast forward this video to see the ending reveal of her hair. Thank you guys for tuning in, and thank you all for being so supportive and watching my videos. It means a lot. To all my new friends, thank you and welcome to Meeka, Living with Meeka. To all my real ones that have been sticking around with me while I've been trying to figure out this YouTube thing, thank you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much for rocking with me and continue to be a part of my family as I continue to make content, boo. Do what makes you happy. Until next time, you all, stay tuned to the reveal of my mom's beautiful braids I put in her hair. She was so happy and she looked so beautiful. By the way, you guys, check in on your elderly mothers during this quarantine time. They're lonely and they really, really need to just talk. They need that company. They need to know that people are out there that care about them. Please check in on them. Even if it's just a call. And just listen to them talk. Means so much, you all. Love you. See you in my next video. I did dip her hair in boiling hot water to seal the braid in when I was done. I also oiled her scalp with hair grease.
Hey.
All right, show them what you're working with.
I am so glad. You know what? Some people get so depressed when they're in the house and home alone, and I tell you what, I have learned to be content in whatever state I'm in. And I thank God for my daughter. Oh my God, she done hooked her mama up. And don't forget about my eyes. She done shaved my eyes. Can't get my nails done, but that's all right. I'm still in the house. Look at me. Woo.
It's all right.
Look at me.
Let me see the back of it.
Hey.
Look at you, girl.
Hey.
Amen.
Amen. Be blessed. I am. Thank you, Meeka.
No, amen. Love you.
Love you too.
You're welcome.